with General Gregorio Del Pilar saying, "I am surrounded by fearless odds that would overcome me and my gallant men, but I am pleased to die fighting for my beloved country." Sana po ito po yung tumatak sa bawat isa sa atin. As the face and the voice of the AFP, I would like to use this as a forum to ignite that patriotic spirit in each and every Filipino. So una po, nagpapasalamat kami sa Sambayanang Pilipino for 7 out of 10 ang may tiwala, no, sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. And 8 out of 10 are willing to fight along with the AFP in a bigger challenge, which is external defense. So ito po, igniting us in the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We are fueled by this passion and your support. I also would like to thank the Armed Forces of the Philippines for giving the females po, no, in the AFP the opportunity to lead and embracing diversity and inclusivity sa sangay po ng Sandatahang Lakas. Maraming salamat din po, sir, for giving us the opportunity to be recognized in this field, and we want to serve as an inspiration, not really because of gender, but by the merits of what we do for our country. So with that said po, maraming salamat for this recognition, and I offer it for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Colonel.